Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's learn some easy ways to find square.
Now the first method is the base method. Base method is used for the numbers that are near to 10, 100, 1000 and so on, because these numbers 10,000, 100 are used as the base. Now to understand this, let's take an example of 104. Now to find the square of 104, let's first find the nearest base to the number. So the nearest base to the number 104 is 100. So here the base is 100. Now the next step will be to find the extra. Now what is extra? Extra is the difference between the actual number and the base. In other words, what will be added or subtracted to the base to get the actual number. So here it's 104. So it can be clearly seen that we need to add 4 to the base to get the actual number 104. Now remember the sign before the extra number, that is whether we are adding to the base or subtracting from the base, is important. If we are subtracting, that we will need to consider the negative sign before the extra, and that we will understand more clearly in the next example. Now let's move to step 1. Step 1 will be to find the left part of the square. For it, we have to find the sum of the actual number and the extra. That will be 104 plus 4, which is equal to 108. And now step 2. Step 2 will be to find the right part of the square, which will be the square of the extra number. Here the extra number is 4, so its square will be 16. And now the final square of 104 will be combining the left part and the right part that we have already found. So left part 108 and right part 16. So the square of 104 will be 10816. Now let's take an example where the actual number is smaller than the base, and for that we have taken the number 98. So to find the square of 98, we know that 98 is near to the base 100. So here the base is 100. Now next is to find the extra. As I have already told, if the actual number is smaller than the base, then the extra will be in the negative number. So here the actual number is 98 and its base is 100. So the difference or the extra will be minus 2. Now let's move to the step 1. Step 1 is to find the left part of the square, which will be the addition or the sum of the actual number and the extra. So the actual number 98 plus, and since the extra is minus 2, so plus minus 2 will be minus 98 minus 2, which will be 96, because plus and minus becomes minus. Now step 2 is to find the right part of the square, which will be the square of the extra number, and the square of the extra number will be minus 2 square, which will be 4. Now there is a positive sign before 4 in spite of having minus 2, because while we say square, the sign will also be squared. So minus and minus becomes plus. So the answer is plus 4. Now, there is one more thing that we need to learn. Now, since there are two zeros in 100 and the right part is having only a single digit 4, so we need two digits on the right side, and for that we will add one more zero before 4 because there is only one digit. So to make it two digits, we will add one more zero before 4, and adding a zero before a digit doesn't change the number. So the square of 98 now will be 9604. Now let's take one more example of a 4-digit number, that is 1002. Now we will start by finding the base. So the nearest base to the number 1002 will be 1000. So the base here is 1000. Now the extra. Now we already know how to find the extra, difference between the actual number and the base. So here it will be 1002 minus 1000, that will be plus 2. Again here positive sign before extra because the actual number is greater than the base. Now let's move to the step 1. Left part of the square, which will be the sum of the actual number and the extra, that will be 1002 plus 2, which will be 1004. Now let's move to the step 2 to find the right part, which will be the extra number square. So here the extra number is 2 and its square will be 4. So the right part is 4. Now as we know that the right part of the square should have the number of digits equal to the number of zeros in the base. Now here the base is 1000, that is having 3 zeros, but the right part is having only one digit, that is 4. So to make the right part equal to the number of zeros in the base, we need to add 2 zeros before 4. So the right part will become now 004. And always remember, I am repeating it, adding zeros before a number doesn't change the number. It will be 4 only. So now the square of 1002 will be the left part, that is 1004, and the right part that has now become 004. It will be 1004, 004.